Have you ever struggled to find the right switch to flip in your electrical panel because the labels for your circuit breakers don't clearly match the outlets or the light fixtures that you're trying to shut the power off to in your house? Well, I found a tool that makes this process a heck of a lot easier and will save you a lot of time running up and down the stairs trying to find out whether or not you flipped the right switch. Let's get right to it. I'm a big fan of some of the sensors that are made by Klein Tools, and I was very happy to find that they had made a digital circuit breaker finder. It comes with a receiver, and when you receive the receiver, you just have to flip it over, pull the screw out, and stick the 9-volt battery in for this to function. And it also comes with a transmitter that is powered by the electric in your outlet. You can see that it has a 3-prong connection to go directly into your outlet, and it has some other things on the front which we'll get to in a minute. But first, how's this going to help you figure out which switch you need to flip in your panel? The first thing that you need to do is to plug the transmitter into the outlet to which you are trying to kill the power. Then you take your receiver and go to your electrical panel. There's a button on top that you need to press that turns it on. As soon as it does that, you'll hear the beeping and the green light on top. Simply go to your panel and start to trace right down your circuit breakers and do this until you get the red indicator. Then simply flip the switch, and you'll notice on the transmitter that the lights on the front have powered off, indicating you have no power. Now that'll help me cut power to an electrical outlet, but what if it's an actual light fixture that you need to kill power to? Well, Klein Tools was kind enough to make a circuit breaker kit that you can purchase. This kit comes with a few different pieces that you can use. It comes with a 2-prong female adapter for light fixtures, so you can take the 3-prong adapter that comes with the same kit, plug it into this, then you can plug your transmitter into the adapter and screw the entire piece into your light fixture. It also comes with alligator clips that you can use that same 3-prong adapter and connect your transmitter to if you need to connect directly to exposed wires. Now, I mentioned there was a hidden feature inside of the transmitter that made this tool purchase that much better, and here's what it is. The transmitter itself is also an outlet tester. When you look at the front of the transmitter, you'll notice that it has a bunch of labels, and those labels are matched to different light patterns. Those light patterns match the bottom of the transmitter itself. When you plug the transmitter into your outlet, those lights will light up based on the status of the outlet. So if your ground and neutral wires have been reversed, it will light up based off of that pattern. If your ground and hot wires have been reversed, it'll light up based off of that pattern. Or if it is correctly wired, it will light up just like this. Now, it's also a GFI outlet tester, and you can do this by plugging it into your outlet and pressing the gray button on top. As soon as you press the button, you're going to hear the outlet click, which kills the power to it and shows a successful test. Then just be sure to hit your reset button so that you get power back to your outlet. Using this tool is going to help save your legs from going up and down the stairs a ton. And hey, while you're here, check out one of these 2 videos. Until the next time, keep doing it yourself.